So our second half of the notes here talks about comparing unit rates. So you're going to be finding maybe multiple unit rates, maybe 1, 2, 3 unit rates, and comparing them for the better one. When you're doing this, it's important that you read carefully. Almost always, every single math problem, it's important to read carefully to determine if you're looking for either the higher or the lower unit rate. And that's going to change based on the type of situation you run into. Some situations it might be better to have a higher unit rate, when others it might be better for a lower. Let's look at some examples. So a better buy. If you're looking for the better price on something, would you want a higher or a lower unit rate? Well, better buy, we want to pay less. So we would want the lower unit rate here. What about better gas mileage? If you're talking about how many miles you can go with 1 gallon, you want to be able to go more miles, right? For each gallon of gas, you want to be going more. So in this situation, a higher unit rate would be better. Ooh, and a better speed. What about the better speed? How fast you're going, how many miles per hour, how many miles per minute, kind of a thing. If you're looking for the better speed, you want the faster, which would be the higher unit rate, right? You'd rather be going 5 miles per hour rather than 2 miles per hour. 5 miles per hour is the faster or higher speed. When you're looking at these comparison problems, just make sure you explain your conclusion with a sentence, like a real-life person that knows English. You can do it. And this one, remember, when you're dealing with money, no matter what the situation is, you're always rounding to the nearest hundredth. The nearest hundredths place. Because remember, you see 2 decimal points when talking with money. Or decimal, not points, decimal places. All right, we'll look at an example